Let's be honest. Most of us don't think about magnesium until we're dealing with leg cramps, anxiety, or a sleepless night that refuses to end. But what if there's a form of magnesium that not only helps with those things, but also works deeply and gently to support nearly every system in your body? Meet magnesium glycinate, the unsung hero in the world of supplements. It's not flashy. It won't give you a sudden burst of energy like caffeine or sugar. Instead, it works quietly, calming your nervous system, relaxing your muscles, balancing your mood, and supporting deep sleep. It's the mineral your body is probably begging for, especially if you're stressed, overworked, or simply human. Magnesium glycinate is a combination of magnesium and the amino acid glycine. The result? A highly absorbable, gentle on the stomach supplement with powerful mind-body benefits. Let's explore what happens when you add this gentle giant to your daily routine. It helps you sleep like a baby. Struggling with sleep? Magnesium glycinate might be your natural lullaby. This form of magnesium is well known for its calming properties, and the added glycine helps promote relaxation in the brain and nervous system. Taken before bed, it gently lowers cortisol levels and increases the neurotransmitters responsible for sleep, like GABA. Unlike sleep medications, magnesium glycinate doesn't knock you out. It simply helps your body remember how to fall into a deep, restorative rhythm. If your nights are restless or your mornings groggy, this mineral could be your quiet solution. Calms anxiety and soothes the nervous system. When your mind is racing and your chest feels tight, that's your nervous system begging for magnesium. Magnesium glycinate has a natural calming effect that helps regulate the brain's response to stress. It increases GABA activity, the brain's primary calming neurotransmitter, and lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. This creates a soothing effect that doesn't make you drowsy, just balanced. Many people notice less anxiety, fewer panic attacks, and a steadier emotional state within days of taking it regularly. It's like emotional support in capsule form. It eases muscle cramps and body tension. If you've ever had a leg cramp jolt you awake in the middle of the night, you already know how painful magnesium deficiency can be. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation. Without it, your muscles tighten and spasm. Magnesium glycinate helps ease muscle tension, reduce cramps, and even improve recovery after exercise. It's especially helpful for athletes, people who stand or sit for long periods, or anyone experiencing chronic tension. Whether it's menstrual cramps, twitchy legs, or post-workout soreness, this form of magnesium gets in and gets to work. It supports a healthy heartbeat. Your heart is a muscle, and like every other muscle, it needs magnesium to function properly. Magnesium glycinate supports a steady, healthy heartbeat by regulating electrical impulses and balancing potassium and calcium in heart cells. People with magnesium deficiencies often experience heart palpitations or irregular rhythms. By replenishing magnesium levels, you're helping your heart beat in a calm, rhythmic pattern, reducing risks and increasing long-term cardiovascular health. It balances blood sugar levels. Magnesium plays a crucial role in insulin function and glucose metabolism. When you're low in magnesium, your body has a harder time managing blood sugar, and that's when cravings, crashes, and even insulin resistance creep in. Magnesium glycinate helps stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the day, especially after meals. People with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes often benefit from supplementing with it, noticing fewer sugar crashes, better insulin sensitivity, and more balanced energy. It reduces PMS and menstrual symptoms. Hormonal ups and downs? Magnesium glycinate to the rescue. This supplement has a calming effect on both muscles and mood, making it a natural ally during your period. It can help reduce bloating, breast tenderness, irritability, and even menstrual cramps. Glycine also plays a role in detoxifying estrogen, which helps ease the hormonal storm. Taken consistently, magnesium glycinate can help your cycle feel less like a battle and more like a breeze. It supports healthy digestion. Believe it or not, your gut loves magnesium. It helps regulate smooth muscle contraction in the digestive tract, keeping things moving at a healthy pace. Unlike other forms of magnesium that can cause urgent trips to the bathroom, magnesium glycinate is gentle on the gut. It helps relieve constipation without causing diarrhea or discomfort. And because it also supports the nervous system, It can be helpful for stress-related digestive issues like IBS or bloating. It enhances cognitive function and mental clarity. Brain fog, forgetfulness, and lack of focus often come from underlying stress or poor neurotransmitter activity, both of which magnesium glycinate helps address. Magnesium is vital for healthy brain function, supporting neural communication and reducing inflammation in the brain. When combined with glycine, it improves mental clarity, helps with concentration, and may even reduce symptoms of ADHD or age-related memory decline. It's a subtle but powerful brain booster. It supports bone density and joint health. You probably think of calcium when it comes to bones, but magnesium is equally important. In fact, magnesium helps transport calcium into your bones where it belongs. Without enough magnesium, calcium may build up in soft tissues instead, leading to stiffness and joint pain. Magnesium glycinate supports strong bones, flexible joints, and prevents calcification in places it shouldn't happen. It's particularly helpful for postmenopausal women who are at higher risk of osteoporosis. It may reduce migraines and headaches. If migraines are ruining your day or week, magnesium glycinate might offer relief. Studies have shown that magnesium deficiency is common in migraine sufferers. This form of magnesium helps relax the blood vessels, reduce nerve overactivity, and calm the brain's pain response. For many people, regular use of magnesium glycinate reduces the frequency, duration, and severity of headaches. It won't replace medication during an attack, but it can make them far less frequent in the first place. It boosts immune function. Your immune system is like an army, and magnesium is the mineral that helps it train, recover, and stay strong. Magnesium glycinate supports the production of white blood cells and helps regulate inflammation, key parts of your immune defense. It also promotes better sleep and lower stress, both of which are vital for staying well. Especially in times of high stress or seasonal sickness, this supplement can help keep your defenses up. It aids in detoxification and liver support. Your liver is your body's detox headquarters, and it relies heavily on minerals, especially magnesium, to do its job. Magnesium glycinate helps activate enzymes involved in detoxification, supports bile flow, and promotes cellular repair. Glycine, its partner amino acid, is also essential for producing glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. Together, they form a powerful duo for cleansing the system gently and effectively. It improves mood and fights mild depression. Feeling low, flat, or emotionally numb, magnesium deficiency has been linked to depression and mood disorders. Magnesium glycinate helps increase serotonin production and balances brain chemistry without the harsh side effects of pharmaceuticals. Glycine also helps reduce overstimulation in the brain, which can be a major factor in anxiety and emotional overwhelm. It won't fix your mood overnight, but over time, it creates a more stable emotional baseline. Promotes hormonal balance. From thyroid health to adrenal function to estrogen balance, magnesium plays a starring role in your endocrine system. Magnesium glycinate helps regulate hormone production and activity, especially in women dealing with PMS, PCOS, perimenopause, or thyroid disorders. It calms the hormonal chaos and helps your glands communicate more clearly. Over time, many women notice improvements in energy, mood, and cycle regularity simply by restoring magnesium levels. It supports long-term longevity and cellular health. Every cell in your body depends on magnesium to function. It's involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those related to DNA repair, energy production, and antioxidant defense. Magnesium glycinate supports mitochondrial function, reduces inflammation, and protects cells from premature aging. It's not just about feeling better today. It's about setting the stage for a healthier, more resilient tomorrow. Final thoughts. A gentle giant in a capsule. Magnesium glycinate isn't a flashy supplement. It doesn't promise instant results or dramatic transformations. But what it does offer is balance, a quiet return to calm, a more resilient nervous system, a deeper night's sleep, and a body that feels more like home. It's one of those rare supplements that touches nearly every system without overwhelming any of them. Gentle, powerful, and remarkably effective. It's no wonder magnesium glycinate has become a favorite among nutritionists, doctors, and anyone who's tired of feeling tired. If your body's been whispering for help, this might be the answer. Simple, smart, and easy to add to your routine. Would you like a follow-up guide on how to choose the best magnesium glycinate supplement or how much to take daily? I'm happy to help.